Well, good morning, everybody. It is Uncle Bill O'Gorman here at Royal Nissan and Royal Subaru. And look what we've got here. We have got a fantastic selection of brand new, in stock, ready to take home Nissan brand vehicles. We've got the hot ones here, folks. These are the vehicles that you've been waiting for. Some folks have ordered them. They've picked them up. This is just some of what's available. It's not just the Nissan brand that's been busy. We've got the Subarus. We've got them here. There's a few more coming, and there are plenty to choose from. And don't forget, folks, some of these vehicles have some tremendous value just in the low interest rates that are being offered. So you need to stop by and take a look and see what's happening here at Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru on Route 2. Whoa, is that the Wilderness Edition available on the ground? It sure looks it. So you've got to come in here to Royal Nissan and Royal Subaru. Ask for Uncle Bill O'Gorman. Take a look and see just what we've got. We have inventory. You drive by, you're going to see a lot of vehicles here. You're going to see the Nissans, the Subarus. You're going to see some great certified options. Don't forget, we do have the pre-owns. It's just a matter of you coming in, sitting down, taking a look. We appraise your vehicle, which is worth more now than it's ever been, especially if you've got a truck you want to trade in. So can I recommend you hop in your car today, you drive over to Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru on Route 281 in Cortland, and you ask for me, Uncle Bill O'Gorman, so that you can take a look of what we have accumulated. Our buyers have been out looking. We've been being very aggressive on trade-ins, and the factories have been dropping vehicles left and right every day. Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru, Route 281 in Cortland. If we don't have it, we can probably get it and save you more. I hope to see you soon. Just give me a call, 607-543-1215. Uncle Bill O'Gorman, Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru. Ooh, is that a good looking truck right there?